Introducing the E.C.D County Station Wagon. Project 1 available now. The first of just 8 exclusive E.C.D County Station Wagon builds, available from October to December. We're always listening to our clients. This built for inventory 4x4 allows our customers the freedom to enjoy a premium resto mod without the standard build time. It's the perfect solution for those who value quality, craftsmanship and immediate access to their dream vehicle. This D110 features a classic front bumper, 6-point external roll cage and NAS style rear bumper. This specification is consistent over the E.C.D CSW series. Inside, Project 1 features a Momo Prototipo black leather steering wheel with hot rod gauges, 2 Corbeau Sport front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a fluted vertical line hides royal leather, stitched together in black. This 110 is powered by our GM LS3 6.2 litre V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo, Pioneer speakers, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout. The standout feature of the CSW is the custom E.C.D dash, allowing more room, a tilt steering wheel and vastly improved AC in the cabin. Our version of this classic is all about simplicity and top-notch quality. An E.C.D CSW build captures everything we love about the Defender. It's a family-friendly ride with sleek lines and understated style. Plus, has all the creature comforts you need to enjoy every drive. Instantly available, fully E.C.D.